Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, we all experience stress, which is a normal part of life. However, chronic or prolonged stress can have detrimental effects on both our mental and physical health. It's crucial to find healthy and effective ways to manage and alleviate stress. So here are 15 expert tips on how to get rid of stress quickly and naturally. 1. Practice deep breathing techniques. Deep breathing exercises are among the most effective techniques to alleviate stress quickly. When you practice deep, slow, and controlled breathing, you directly influence your body's stress response. By slowing down your breath, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the fight or flight response triggered by stress. This shift in nervous system balance promotes a sense of calm and relaxation, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and tension almost instantly. 2. Identify the source of stress. One of the first steps to effectively managing stress is identifying its source. Take the time to honestly assess what's causing you stress. Is it work-related issues, relationship problems, or financial concerns? By becoming aware of what's causing your stress, you can develop targeted strategies to address those issues directly. You may also learn to avoid certain situations or people that trigger your stress response unnecessarily. This step lays the foundation for more effective stress management as you move forward. 3. Maintain a consistent routine. Maintaining a consistent routine is a powerful tool in managing stress. A predictable schedule provides a sense of stability and order, which can significantly reduce feelings of uncertainty and anxiety. By establishing and adhering to a routine, you minimize surprises and give yourself a framework to navigate daily challenges more effectively. This can be particularly helpful for those with demanding jobs or busy lifestyles. A consistent routine helps you stay focused and calm throughout the day, reducing the likelihood of becoming overwhelmed by stress. 4. Engage in regular physical activity. Regular physical activity is an excellent stress reliever. Exercise has been proven to release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters that promote feelings of well-being and happiness. Engaging in sports, fitness activities, or simply going for a walk can help alleviate stress and improve your overall mood. Even 20 minutes of moderate exercise can make a significant difference, reducing stress hormones and providing a sense of relaxation. 5. Use mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness or incorporating short meditation sessions into your daily routine can be highly beneficial in managing stress. These practices involve focusing your attention on the present moment without judgment, helping to calm racing thoughts and bring a sense of balance to your emotions. There are numerous apps and guided meditations available that cater to various needs, making it easier than ever to incorporate these practices into your daily life. Even a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation can help reduce stress and increase feelings of well-being. 6. Prioritize quality sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for stress management. Poor sleep can exacerbate stress levels, making it more challenging to cope with daily stressors. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleeping environment is comfortable and conducive to sleep. Quality sleep helps restore your mind and body, improving your ability to handle stress and promoting overall well-being. 7. Eat a balanced, nutritious diet. The foods you eat play a vital role in your stress levels. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar intake, as they can contribute to feelings of anxiety and agitation. Instead, nourish your body with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Eating a nutritious diet supports optimal brain function and helps maintain stable mood and energy levels throughout the day. Consider incorporating foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish or flax seeds, as they have been linked to reduced stress and improved mental well-being. Connect with positive people. Nurturing connections with positive and supportive people is essential for managing stress. Strong social support can provide you with emotional comfort and practical assistance during challenging times. Spend time with friends and family members who uplift you and create a positive atmosphere. Limit your exposure to negative individuals who may exacerbate your stress levels. Building a network of positive relationships can help you feel grounded and better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. 9. Keep a journal. Keeping a journal can be an effective way to manage stress and gain clarity amidst the chaos. Set aside time each day to write down your feelings, stress triggers, and the things you're grateful for. Journaling allows you to express your emotions freely, process your thoughts, and gain a better understanding of your stress patterns. It helps to declutter your mind and can lead to a greater sense of emotional well-being and balance. 10. Learn to say no. Setting boundaries is a crucial skill when it comes to managing stress. Learn to say no when you feel your plate is too full and you have reached your limit. Taking on too many commitments or responsibilities can lead to burnout and chronic stress. By politely declining additional requests and protecting your time and energy, you prevent overcommitment and maintain a manageable level of stress. 11. Take digital detox breaks. Taking regular breaks from digital devices, especially social media, can significantly reduce stress levels. The constant stimulation from screens can contribute to mental fatigue and feelings of anxiety or restlessness. Schedule specific times to disconnect from your devices and engage in other activities. Whether it's reading, spending time in nature, or pursuing hobbies, taking digital detox breaks allows your mind to rest and recharge, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. 12. Practice self-care. Making self-care a priority is essential for managing stress. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax, such as reading, taking a hot bath, or listening to calming music. Set aside time each day to unwind and recharge. Remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish but necessary to maintain your mental and emotional health. By practicing self-care consistently, you build resilience against stress and prevent burnout. 13. Break down large tasks. When faced with large or complex tasks, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach prevents feelings of being overwhelmed and reduces the stress associated with procrastination. Create a to-do list, prioritizing the most important tasks, and allocate specific time slots to work on them. This structured approach helps you make progress, boosts your confidence, and reduces stress levels by preventing last-minute rushes or incomplete tasks. 14. Try aromatherapy or herbal teas. Aromatherapy using scents like lavender or chamomile can help induce relaxation and alleviate stress. Lavender oil in particular is known for its calming properties. Herbal teas such as chamomile tea are renowned for their soothing effects on the body and mind. These natural remedies can help calm anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. Incorporating aromatherapy or herbal teas into your daily routine can be a delightful and effective way to manage stress. 15. Spend time in nature. Spending time in nature is a powerful stress reliever. Go for a walk in a park, by a lake, or through the woods. The fresh air and natural surroundings can have a calming effect on the mind and body. Studies have shown that time spent in nature can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and improve overall mood. Whether it's observing the beauty of a sunset or listening to the birds, connecting with the natural world can help reset your mindset and reduce stress levels. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By incorporating these 15 expert-backed strategies into your daily routine, you can effectively manage stress and promote your overall well-being. From deep breathing exercises to spending time in nature, there are simple and natural ways to keep stress under control. Remember to prioritize your mental and physical health and make stress management a part of your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like and share for more wellness tips. Stay well and stress-free.